Homemade Arabian Mansaf and Cranberry Orange Mocktail, Ramadan special recipe. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel Ramadan special cooking series. Today, we have something truly special in store for you. We're going to prepare the iconic Arabian dish, Mansaf, accompanied by a refreshing cranberry orange mocktail. This meal is perfect for iftar during the holy month of Ramadan, and what's even better is that it's affordable and beginner-friendly. So, let's dive right in. Let's start with the ingredients for our Mansaf. 1 kilogram of lamb shoulder, cut into chunks. 2 cups of long grain rice. 1 cup of plain yogurt. Half cup of pine nuts. 1/4 cup of clarified butter, ghee. 1 large onion, finely chopped. 3 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of ground cardamom. 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric. Salt and pepper to taste. 4 cups of water. And for our cranberry orange mocktail, you'll need 2 cups of cranberry juice. 1 cup of orange juice. 1/4 cup of simple syrup, equal parts sugar and water, heated until dissolved. Fresh orange slices and cranberries for garnish. Ice cubes. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, let's move on to the preparation. First, let's prepare the Mansaf, the star of our meal. In a large pot, heat the clarified butter over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic, and sauté until they turn golden brown and fragrant. Next, add the chunks of lamb shoulder to the pot. Season with salt, pepper, ground cinnamon, ground cardamom, and ground turmeric. Cook the lamb until it's nicely browned on all sides. Once the lamb is browned, add the water to the pot, making sure it covers the meat completely. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 1.5 to 2 hours, or until the meat is tender and falls apart easily. While the meat is simmering, let's prepare the rice. In a separate pot, rinse the rice under cold water until the water runs clear. Then, add the rice to a pot of boiling water and cook until it's tender but still has a slight bite to it. Once the rice is cooked, drain it and set it aside. In a small bowl, mix the plain yogurt with a bit of water to make it smooth and creamy. Now, it's time to assemble our Mansaf. Spread the cooked rice onto a large serving platter, creating a bed for the lamb. Place the tender lamb pieces on top of the rice. Pour the yogurt mixture over the lamb and rice, making sure to coat everything evenly. Then, sprinkle the pine nuts on top for a crunchy texture and nutty flavor. And there you have it, our delicious homemade Arabian Mansaf is ready to be enjoyed. Now, let's move on to our cranberry orange mocktail, the perfect refreshing drink to accompany our hearty meal. In a pitcher, combine the cranberry juice, orange juice, and simple syrup. Then, add some ice cubes to chill the mocktail. To serve, pour the cranberry orange mocktail into glasses filled with ice. Garnish each glass with a slice of fresh orange and a few cranberries for a pop of color and extra flavor. And there you have it, our refreshing cranberry orange mocktail is ready to be enjoyed alongside our homemade Arabian Mansaf. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Thank you for joining us today as we prepared this special Ramadan meal. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make homemade Arabian Mansaf and cranberry orange mocktail. Please subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Ramadan Kareem.